This newly constructed villa offers spectacular ocean views. Upon entering the villa, you are welcomed with a very large open living area that includes an oversized kitchen, spacious dining, and lounge area. On the upper floor, you will find the two guest bedrooms, each with their own bathrooms. The master bedroom has a large semicircular stone and leads out to the huge wraparound balcony. On the ground floor, you will also find a separate guest suite complete with bedroom, bathroom, kitchenette, and living area. Please contact us for more details. For more information on this listing, please contact Amber Coast Realty, your real estate professionals in the Dominican Republic.